For those of you who are curious about the condition of the ramp at Miller Park, here's a view of what it looks like. There's the marina. And then I'll get another shot from up here. Yeah, what do they call this now? I call it Miller Park. They're calling it the Sacramento Marina, which is at the end of Broadway, Sacramento, California, for those of you who are curious. But it looks like for sure you'll need four-wheel drive to get your boat in and out of this location. If you look at the silt buildup,